Say enene first time I will launch Photoshop I will be a picture be ho aduma ade ba ko a ehu hia pa e wo Photoshop e cropping because se we post the picture no e wo Instagram and on Facebook. All these platforms have their own algorithm, and as when the algorithm of cropping this one we say who post the picture no wa it either say omu betwe bi afiri hu ana ombe distort o color no na ye can cropping na eno ne den I thought it be a mistake cropping to cartoon say ye can say cropping image as such as na ye can say cut image so e wo Photoshop and also as such as tutorial way tutorial me dey tell the difference between cropping and cutting. My name is Kofi Pope from Atelier de Kofi Pope, and I'm back with another Photoshop tutorial. Without wasting much time, let's jump into Photoshop and start today's work.
Computer
and to see ano yaba Photoshop, and I'll share my workspace in so my image be at the workspace in so. And a tutorial may use image way and they are the difference between cropping and cutting. First of all, you started with cropping. See, I can cropping actually say ultra image ni be every home from the edges. The keyword is from the edges. It could be from the right or left, up or down. But fashion with me say ultra from the edges. Entity say image your workspace. See a cast your crop here. You better can select the crop tool. The crop tool and a crop into select crop tool our 2 panel honoma. Ube say image no eda o workspace no so no white border be abeda edges no eno ena beboa amoa crop o image no so whichever side I will be movie it no ebe crop o image no ama inti se me dey me arrow no eba edge na hu say arrow na asesa abeye 2 arrows facing each other. It is see I say me movie arrow ni ina. Ubon say the other side of the phone no efrimu. Phone na facing ye 2 ewo no. Efrimu na say aka phone na facing ye 4 ewo so. It is see I say me mia enter ana correct sign ewo so hana. Phone na face me nu wo so no. Eno eko yentimi nya other part na ya cut in the back. Aje o cutting ni say na ope other one back umia undo, which is Control Z and now Command Z na obenya the back. But say o cut na uye adwuma foforo egugu so saa untimi nya the back. Enti say na ye cropping no. Enti cropping no temper with the edges and now the canvas of the image you are working with. Enti yebe mia undo. Then we have the same image. Then you see, you have the same image, but this time around, you perceive your cat phone no faces in your phone no. You perceive your cat sa phone no free your image anymore. The attorney say you will tools baby. I will Photoshop you the your cutting. Ubet me use pen tool. Ubet me use quick selection tool. Ubet me use select image. Ninyina will Photoshop. Ubet me the cat. Enti eduru this side ube select tool we good at now they are cut. For the purpose of this video, any time factor ntino may use quick selection tool. Where 2 panel no the shortcut kill our keyboard and so it may use quick selection tool. It may use quick selection tool because I can't cut from the background. Oshe right hand side now go say background layer not so red. Because I can't cut from the background, you know, I will make a duplicate. Me can't duplicate make copy image, you know. Enti o copy abe mia Control J. Now they are copy. And now obeba top or layers. Oba layer no aba duplicate layer. To me a duplicate layer na ebe create copy no amount. Na fe ya eno ho adwuma nti se ano ye copy no wa ye layer 1 enti mary name no ube rename a ube double click e layer 1 no so no wa chiro the upper so chiro me name no work with this enti se ano work with this eno na yɛde yɛ adwuma wohwɛ layers mmienu no ho a wohu eye bi ɛwɔ layers mmienu no nkyɛn in Photoshop no yɛfrɛ no visibility enti in order for us to know what we are doing yɛbɛdum visibility no ɛwɔ background no ho enti wobɛmia eye no so wobɛmia ani no so na afei background ne visibility ne adum ɛkyerɛ sɛ background no unhu biem nea unhu sesia no ɛyɛ layer na a me name no work with this no ɛno na unhu sesia no enti sesia ɛno ne yɛbɛyɛ ho adwuma right now ube select two bia unim use enti te sɛ na me ka no me use quick selection tool no na umi ake wo keyboard no so na quick selection tool ne ba ubon say o arrow na asesa to a circle a minus bi wom ebia say first time na wo select quick selection tool na ebeba circle a plus wom ba oba top left corner ho a yewo plus and a minus what it simply means is say o select plus na you are adding or you are creating a selection and umia minus na you are subtracting from a selection. Instead, that is simply what the plus and minus in the circle means. In the say, you best select plus no near the selective phone no. You person you cutting it out no. Instead, Osha may selective phone no. So whatever tool you are good at no, whether the pen tool or select image or whatever tool you are good at, where you should no at the selective phone no. Instead, Osha quick selection tool no and I made select phone no enti ma select me phone no awie o share edges na enye good selection o person hu the wa select no here o betimi mia kill ewo keyboard no so o mia kill ewo keyboard no so a o be hu say baby a wa select no colors ne be ba bright baby a en select ye no e be to say red akava ani enti o share baby am select na and select ye we won say a selected background ni bi aka ho enti si an obe mi akill no no akọ back na fe wa ba top left corner no select minus na fe udi yi selection na open baby a select a open udi yi afri mu enti ye be yi edges no afri mu enti ti se na me ye no baby a open bia udi be yi afri mu ti baby a umpe bia udi be yi afri mu to get a nice selection. And you see ano I feel say this selection is quite okay. And you see I say me akio no watch selection na we make no enye bad. And you see ana ya selective phone no see yi sa phone ni nko a every image ni mu aha no no ye wo kwan bebra ye fa so ye no ubetimi ayi phone ne nko a every mu layer no ebewo ho intact sa image na ukati phone ni free mu no eno bewo ho intact with no problem na ye wo way so a ubetimi akati phone no na baby na phone ne wo no eho aye empty na phone ne nko anso abaye layer foforo enti first of all no ye pese ye kati ni enya phone ne nko a nanso hwe happen to the layer na ya name no work with this no enti in order to do that no ubemia control J so okay control J no na ye create copy from the background no but this time around no ye create copy of only the phone with 4 faces because enope ni select into umia control J a ubon say sa phone ni pe na select o share layer side wa sa phone ni pe na select doom work with this visibility no ubon say sisia no aka phone nko a enti phone nko a na select say also work with this visibility no na udum phone no visibility na ubon say your image na nkasa wo ho a hwe enye image no enti just say you temper with the image but your a layer for the phone baby a person a movie phone ni ko bia no you betimi a movie akọ enti in Photoshop no this is what we meant by cutting. Say you are not tampering with the canvas and you are not tampering with the edges of the image, but there is a particular part of the image opese uyi na movie ekobe before for eno near friend of cutting. Maminde little phone layer na mensan chiro ekwan a ubetimi akati phone no na fe ni mienu awo separate layer so enti ye be kati phone in a way a ye benya phone nko a e was separate layer no na fe work with this no baby a phone ne wo e wo work with this no e ho aye empty. In order to do this no ubemia control shift J umia control shift J a ubon say a kati phone no to a different layer, but this time around we check ya ubon say work with this no baby ana phone ne wo no aye empty. Work with this no baby a phone ne wo no aye empty. Ana phone ne nko a abe layer foforo e wo top. So these are the various ways ubetimi akate. So in Photoshop, this is the difference between cropping and cutting. I hope someone realizes two different things altogether. Cropping and cutting are two different things. Just sometimes we mistake these two different things. And you know, this is our lesson for today. If it is your first time visiting my channel, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. We have more tutorials like this to learn in your creative life. My name is Kofi Pope from Atelier de Kofi Pope, and see you in our next tutorial.